Struggling with erections is a challenge many men silently endure, often feeling embarrassed to bring it up, yet it is far more common than most realize. If you have noticed that your erections are not as strong, reliable, or long-lasting as they once were, you are not alone. Many men assume the only solution is found in a pill, but the truth is that your body responds best to consistent, natural support, most of which can come directly from the foods you eat every single day. Erections rely heavily on three factors: blood flow, nitric oxide production, and hormonal balance, especially testosterone. When arteries stiffen or narrow due to plaque, high blood pressure, or diabetes, blood flow to the penis is restricted, just like water through a kinked hose. When nitric oxide levels fall, blood vessels cannot expand properly, leaving erections weaker. And when testosterone declines, energy, libido, and sexual confidence suffer. The good news is that food can directly target these issues. Beetroot is one of the most powerful natural allies, loaded with nitrates that convert into nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. A clinical trial even confirmed its ability to enhance endothelial function and lower blood pressure, both essential for erectile quality. One of my patients, Michael, incorporated beetroot juice into his daily routine, and within 6 weeks he reported firmer erections, calling it his natural Viagra. Watermelon offers another surprising benefit. It contains citrulline, an amino acid that your body converts to L-arginine, fueling nitric oxide production and boosting blood flow. Many men notice a lift in energy and responsiveness when enjoying a daily slice, especially during the summer months. Dark chocolate, provided it contains at least 70% cocoa, is rich in flavonoids that protect blood vessels and promote nitric oxide production. Research confirms its benefits for vascular function, and a single ounce daily can make a lasting difference. Oysters, often associated with romance, are packed with zinc, which is critical for testosterone production and sperm quality. Low zinc is linked to low testosterone, and men who increase zinc intake often experience improved energy, libido, and erectile quality over time. For those who dislike oysters, zinc can also be found in lean meats, poultry, beans, nuts, and seeds. And finally, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are rich in nitrates that, like beetroot, fuel nitric oxide production and enhance blood flow. Patients who consistently add greens to their meals often notice improvements in digestion, energy, and erectile firmness. These foods, when combined, create a natural blueprint for stronger erections, but the key is consistency. This was the lesson learned by Frank, a 75-year-old widower who believed intimacy was behind him. Drained of energy and confidence, he came to me convinced there was nothing left to do. We developed a nutrition and lifestyle plan built around these foods, and after 3 months of dedication, Frank returned transformed. His energy was restored, his erections were stronger, and he even began dating again, saying he felt as though his prime years had returned. This stands in stark contrast to another patient, Tom, who tried the foods for just 1 week, gave up when he saw no immediate results, and reverted to old habits. Unsurprisingly, nothing changed for him. The difference between Frank and Tom was not age or genetics, it was consistency. Erections do not weaken simply because of age, but because of a combination of poor circulation, declining nitric oxide, and hormonal imbalance, all of which are influenced by diet, lifestyle, and daily habits. That is why it is crucial to limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and unhealthy fats while focusing on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and nutrient-dense vegetables. What supports your heart also supports your sexual health, because erectile function is essentially vascular health. Beyond food, exercise plays an essential role. Regular cardiovascular activity keeps arteries flexible, while strength training boosts testosterone and overall energy. Stress management is equally important, as chronic stress elevates cortisol, which directly interferes with hormonal balance and can weaken erections. Simple practices like meditation, walking outdoors, or engaging in hobbies help restore calm and balance. Sleep is another pillar. 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night is when your body restores testosterone and heals from daily stress. Men who neglect sleep often find their energy, mood, and sexual health all decline together. When these lifestyle factors work in harmony with a diet built on natural performance foods, the improvements can be remarkable. Erections are more than just a measure of sexual function. They are a barometer of overall health. Persistent erectile dysfunction can even be an early warning sign of heart disease, diabetes, or neurological issues, which makes it vital not to ignore ongoing symptoms. Medical guidance should always be sought if dysfunction is severe, sudden, or worsening. Yet incorporating natural dietary strategies can provide both protection and renewal. A simple daily plan might look like this. Start your morning with a smoothie blended with beetroot powder and spinach. Enjoy a watermelon salad for lunch. Include oysters or zinc-rich lean meat at dinner, and finish with a small piece of dark chocolate. This combination steadily fuels nitric oxide, strengthens blood vessels, and maintains testosterone, addressing the three core elements of erectile health. It is not just about restoring firmness. It is about regaining confidence, vitality, and intimacy in life. Men who make these changes consistently discover that their energy returns, their mood lifts, and their sense of self is renewed. The foods that strengthen erections are the same foods that protect the heart, sharpen the mind, and prolong vitality, proving that male health is a whole-body experience. The choice is always between short-term quick fixes or long-term strategies that truly transform well-being. Pills may provide a temporary effect, but natural, evidence-backed foods and habits build lasting strength. Frank's story shows what is possible when consistency meets commitment. If you embrace this approach, you too can reclaim not just performance but the joy and energy that make life fulfilling. Stronger erections are not only a sign of improved intimacy but a reflection of a healthier, more vibrant you.